Hi guys, Dan, index option trading on February the 7th after the market closed, and we start off looking at the chart of SPX here today. It is in a complete trending market here with a 21-day moving average, 50-day rising, and it has hit 319 here. Lo and behold, we're up above 319, and the market is getting extremely overbought here in this condition. And we look at it here at the Bollinger Bands. And you could see it is tagging the band up here, so it can definitely move down here. Whenever it hits the band so hard, it usually pulls back, and right now it is what it is doing is 320. It's very high and it's getting overbought again, and it has moved up here from quite a bit, from a long time here down into this area. Let's look at another stock here, NDX, and see how that is doing here now. NDX is also hitting up the Bollinger Band, and it's moving up higher. It's tagging the band very hard, and that tells me a couple things here that the market is overbought. It can pull back here, and we rose, and same thing for RUT. It started hitting the band, but it's not here quite as such. Let's take a look at on just the 50-day, 21-day, and other moving averages. RUT is forming a strange type of a top here, and I could not figure out what kind of a pattern here. It looks like a diamond top, but it isn't a diamond top. And if it's a diamond top, then yeah, this is a bearish signal. This is a bearish pattern here, but it is a very strange diamond top. It does not have proper sides, and it's lacking other things configuration. And besides, the market has poked up and moved up higher to 808. And RUT is falling behind compared to other indexes, which are just very much in demand. Now let's look at it, Dow Jones as well, which is about 12,061, and this is an example of a very trending market here right now, moving in this channel, and is hitting about 12,1600, which is extremely bullish, unless it is proven otherwise and it pulls back here, which it may, because getting extremely overbought here on the stochastics as well. So let's take a look at some of the charts here, which we have some position. Now this is a miraculous baby here. It came back from 105 to 124, and today it hit 127 and pulled back a little bit. And FFIV's volume has picked up, but today the sellers came in and they started selling it off here. We are right here. We can either get off this thing, or we just have a stop loss order here and break even. This was a trade that had a $5,000 loss, and we recovered everything out of this. On the other note here, we have NFLX, and let's take a look at it. Netflix here, which is also sitting at 218, which is doing good, and this is the position that we're still holding here. Netflix is in a good shape. Apple Computers, which is AAPL here, and if we look at it, Apple has broken out from this triangle, which is it's moving higher, and you can see that it broke out. But the stock has an issue here, is the Steve Jobs health, and if that is gonna, anything happens to him, the stock is gonna crash way bad. So this is a void right now. We're not trading it, but it's at 351. It's bullish. And some other stuff here that we need to take a look at it. One more is Baidu, and Baidu is definitely moving here at 118, and sitting here making a bullish flag here, so that is also very bullish at this time. So these are some of the stocks that are open here. And CMG, which is Chipotle Mexican Grill, this is a new stock, and this is not a new stock, but it has broken out from a consolidation pattern at 247, extremely bullish here as well. So this is the number of stocks that are just forming good patterns here, you can see, and they're moving higher. So we'll be looking into trading some of these in the next few days.